What's up guys, this is Vi and today I'm gonna show you how to do an amazing eye retouching in Photoshop. So this is what the image looks before the retouch. Dull eyes, nothing special in here, and this is what it looks after the retouch. Pretty cool, right? So let's get started. Okay, so first of all what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just press Ctrl+J to duplicate this layer, and I'm gonna grab my pen tool and really quick I'm gonna make a selection of the eyeball. Press selection, feather radius to 2 pixels and hit OK. And I'm gonna click on this layer mask icon. And I'm gonna select apply layer mask. Now go to filter, camera raw filter, zoom in a bit, and I'm gonna just increase the clarity really high, and let's see, I'm gonna increase the exposure a bit and the highlights, increase the shadows, decrease the whites a bit, and let's see, yeah, decrease the blacks. Okay, and hit OK. Cool. So now I'm gonna click on the layer mask icon. I'm gonna press Ctrl+I, and now I'm gonna select the brush tool with the opacity of around, I don't know, 30 or 40. That looks good. I'm gonna select the white color. I'm gonna make the brush smaller, somewhere around there, and I'm gonna just paint in the effect. Looks cool, right? Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a stamp visible layer. So I'm gonna press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E, and it creates a stamp visible layer. I'm gonna rename this to sharpness. I'll rename this to clarity. I'm gonna select the sharpness layer and go to filter, other, and high pass. Okay, so if you haven't watched my secret sharp tool in Photoshop, so I'm gonna link it somewhere around there. You can go ahead and check it out. So I want to just decrease the radius really quick. I'm gonna increase the radius till I see some nice details in the eyes. So I'm gonna just like somewhere around there. I'm gonna press OK, and I want to select linear light, and I'm gonna press the Alt key, and I want to click this layer mask icon. It creates a negative mask. So I'm gonna select the white color, and my brush tool, I'm gonna just paint in this area. Cool. So now I'm gonna create a curves adjustment layer, and I'm gonna just increase the curve like so, and I'm gonna press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna just place it right there. Okay, I'm gonna make the brush smaller, and I'm gonna just paint in the area where I think it needs a little bit more of brightening, like the glare and the white region of the eye there, so that it becomes glittery. And make sure the opacity is somewhere between 30 to 40%. So just like so. Okay, cool. So let's see. Okay, so now I'm gonna create another curves adjustment layer, and I'm gonna just bring it down a bit. Cool. And I'm gonna create a negative mask, so I'm gonna press Ctrl+I And now I'm gonna just paint on the darker areas like that. There. Just increase the clarity and texture of the eye like so. Okay, and I want to just paint in some areas like this one, so that gives more definition to the eye. Cool. So this is already looking very cool, but I'm gonna take it one step further. So I'm gonna create a new layer. And I'm gonna make the blending mode to color dodge, and with the brush tool selected, I'm gonna just make the brush a little bigger but smaller than the eyeball. Let's see, this is too much. Somewhere around there. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna press Alt key and just sample this color, and now with the opacity around like 20%, I'm gonna just dab like so. So this way I'm gonna add some color and glow to the eye. You can see the before glow effect and after glow effect. It looks really cool. Okay, I'm gonna just shift click the below layer and press Ctrl plus G to create the grip. I want to rename this to eye retouching. You can obviously just remove some glow effect from the middle, so that looks good. Okay, cool. So that's it before. This is the before and this is the after. Looks pretty cool, right? So this was it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you never miss an update. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any query or feedback to give, the comment section is all yours. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.